Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Brian Argenti.
Looking at some decreasing clouds as we go through the rest of this evening, but still going to be breezy as we go later into overnight. But the breeze does die down a little bit. It'll be mostly clear, but colder tonight. We're going to be heading into the 30s for our overnight lows, but it's going to be a brighter and cooler Sunday as we get into the second half of the weekend. But in terms of the wind speed and wind direction for the day today, we've been very gusty today. We've had gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour in some areas, but we'll start to dwindle in terms of the wind speeds, and you can see they'll calm overnight as we get into the overnight period. So Storm Team Live Radar Network, I want to just show you that we have some of that rain that's going to be pushing through. That's because of a cold front that's currently trucking through the valley, and that's what's allowing some of these wind speeds to be sustained up towards 28 miles per hour in Harrisburg, as well as Lancaster, as well 15 miles per hour in York, 17 miles per hour in Gettysburg. So here are the current wind gusts from the day today. Earlier, we hit 46 miles per hour in the capital, and 35 miles per hour in Carlisle, 33 miles per hour in Chambersburg. So for the next 24 hours, we're going to see some of those. We're going to see mostly cloudy conditions, but they'll start to clear up as we head into the overnight period. I'll step out of the way so you can see the next 24 hours here. Mostly clear conditions will be on tap for us, as well as those winds. They're going to start to taper off as well as we have high pressure that's going to build in. That's what's going to be helping to clear our skies as well. 30 degrees for our lows tonight, but I want you to notice something. From about 10 o'clock this evening or tonight till about 6 o'clock in the morning, notice how it's mainly clear as we go into the overnight period. That is going to be some good news as we get into tonight. Between 11 o'clock and 2 o'clock in the morning, we're expecting a G3, which is a strong geomagnetic storm that's going to be happening across the Susquehanna Valley. So what does this mean? Is that there's what we call the coronal mass ejections from the sun was released. It was a couple of days ago. That's what's going to be coming towards Earth, and that's what's going to allow for some more geomagnetic activity to occur. And so because we have mainly clear conditions, it's going to be rather nice to be able to see. But I will make a point though. You're going to need a camera that has the night mode. If you go on your phone and you put it into night mode, you got to shine it up towards the sky, and that'll help you see the aurora that could happen. You can't really see it with your naked eye. But I wanted to feature this for you. I'm sure there's a lot of celestial enthusiasts out there that are looking for the next aurora, so that's something to look forward to for tonight. 60 degrees was the high today. Average for this time of year is 53, and we're into the 50s at this point in time. 56 in both Lancaster and York, 55 in Gettysburg, and 50 in Harrisburg at this time. But here's live local 8 now, picking up on some of those rain showers, pushing through Lancaster at this time, and in the wake of that cold front is going to be some high pressure. Off towards the west, towards the northern Great Plains, is going to be our next storm system. That's what's going to push through Sunday night into Monday, and I'll show you that here with the predictor. You can see high pressure builds in, clears our skies for Sunday morning, getting into Sunday evening as well. Then getting into late Sunday, that's when we're going to start to expect to see that system push through and give us some of that rain as we get into Monday morning especially. So checking out the next 10 days, 60 degrees for Monday, 54 Tuesday. Become breezy once again Wednesday, looking at another chance of some showers, but much more seasonable and pleasant for the end of the work week next week. Back to you.